GHS Classifications and Criteria for Classifications Part 1. Classification in GHS: Physical hazard, health hazard, environmental hazard. Physical hazards: explosives, flammable gases, aerosols, oxidizing gases, gases under pressure, flammable liquids, flammable solids, self-reactive substances, pyrophoric liquids, pyrophoric solids, self-heating substances, substances which in contact with water emit flammable gases, oxidizing liquids, oxidizing solids, organic peroxides, corrosive to metals, desensitized explosives. Health hazard: acute toxicity, oral dermal inhalation, skin corrosion, irritation, serious eye damage, eye irritation, respiratory or skin sensitization, germ cell mutagenicity, carcinogenicity, reproductive toxicology, target organ systematic toxicity, single exposure, target organ systematic toxicity, repeated exposure, aspiration toxicity. Environmental hazards: hazardous to aquatic environment, acute chronic, hazardous to the ozone layer. Explosives: an explosive substance or mixture is a solid or liquid substance or mixture of substances which is in itself capable by chemical reaction of producing gas at such a temperature and pressure and such a speed as to cause damage to the surroundings. Pyrotechnic substances are included even when they do not evolve gases. Pyrotechnic substance or mixture is a substance or mixture of substances designed to produce an effect by heat, light, sound, gas or smoke, or a combination of these as a result of non-detonative self-sustaining exothermic chemical reaction. Explosives, label elements. Division 1. Exploding bomb is a symbol, signal word, danger, hazard statement, explosive, mass explosion, hazard. Unstable explosive, symbol exploding bomb, signal word, danger, hazard statement, unstable explosive. Division 1.2. Exploding bomb is a symbol, signal word, danger, hazard statement, explosives, severe projection hazard. Division 1.3. Symbol exploding bomb, signal word, danger, explosive, fire, blast or projection hazard. Division 1.4. Symbol exploding bomb or 1.4 in orange background, signal word, warning, hazard statement, fire or projection hazard. Division 1.5. 1.5 on orange background, signal word, danger, hazard statement, may mass explode in fire. Division 1.6. Symbol 1.6 on orange background, signal word, no signal word, hazard statement, no hazard statement. Flammable gases. A flammable gas is a gas having a flammable range with air at 20 degrees Celsius and a standard pressure of 101.3 kilopascal. A pyrophoric gas is a flammable gas that is liable to ignite spontaneously in air at a temperature of 54 degrees Celsius or below. A chemically unstable gas is a flammable gas that is able to react explosively even in the absence of air or oxygen. A flammable gas is classified in category 1A, 1B, or 2 according to the following table. Flammable gases that are pyrophoric and or chemically unstable are always classified in category 1A. Flammable gases, criteria for categorization of flammable gases. Category 1A, flammable gases which at 20 degrees Celsius and a standard pressure of 101.3 kilopascal are ignitable when in a mixture of 13% or less by volume in air, or have a flammable range with air of at least 12 percentage points regardless of the lower flammability limit, unless data show they meet the criteria for category 1B. Pyrophoric gas, flammable gases that ignite spontaneously in air at a temperature of 54 degrees Celsius or below. Chemically unstable gas A, flammable gases which are chemically unstable at 20 degrees Celsius and a standard pressure of 101.3 kilopascal. B, flammable gases which are chemically unstable at a temperature greater than 20 degrees Celsius or a pressure greater than 101.3 kilopascal. Category 1B, flammable gases which meet the flammability criteria for category 1A but which are not pyrophoric nor chemically unstable and which have at least either a lower flammability limit of more than 6% volume in air or a fundamental burning velocity of less than 10 centimeter per second. Category 2, flammable gases other than those of category 1A or 1B which at 20 degrees Celsius and a standard pressure of 101.3 kilopascal have a flammable range while mixed in air. Label elements of flammable gases. Category 1A, symbol flame, signal word danger, hazard statement, extremely flammable gas. Category 1A, by meeting pyrophoric or unstable gas A and B criteria. Pyrophoric gas, symbol flame, signal word danger, hazard statement, extremely flammable gas may ignite spontaneously if exposed to air. Category 1A, symbol flame, signal word danger, hazard statement, extremely flammable gas may react explosively even in the absence of air. Category 1B, symbol flame, signal word danger, hazard statement, extremely flammable gas may react explosively even in the absence of air at elevated pressure and or temperature. Category 1B, symbol flame, signal word danger, hazard statement, flammable gas. Category 2, no symbol, signal word warning, hazard statement, flammable gas. Aerosols, this means aerosol dispensers are any non-refillable receptacles made of metal, glass or plastics and containing a gas compressed, liquefied or dissolved under pressure, with or without a liquid, paste or powder, and fitted with a release device allowing the contents to be ejected as solid or liquid particles in a suspension in a gas as a form, paste or powder, or in a liquid state or in a gaseous state. Aerosols classification criteria. Aerosols are classified in one of the three categories of this hazard class depending on their flammable properties and their heat of combustion. They should be considered for classification in category 1 or 2 if they contain more than 1% components by mass which are classified as flammable according to the GHS criteria. That is, flammable gases, see chapter 2.2, flammable liquids, see chapter 2.6, flammable solids, see chapter 2.7, or if the heat of combustion is at least 20 kilojoule per gram. Label elements for aerosols. Category 1 symbol flame, signal word danger, hazard statement extremely flammable aerosol, pressurized container may burst if heated. Category 2 symbol flame, signal word warning, hazard statement flammable aerosol, pressurized container may burst if heated. Category 3 symbol no symbol, signal word warning, hazard statement pressurized container may burst if heated. Oxidizing gases. Oxidizing gas is any gas which may generally by providing oxygen cause or contribute to the combustion of other material more than air does. Criteria for oxidizing gases category 1. Any gas which may generally by providing oxygen cause or contribute to the combustion of other material more than the air does. Oxidizing gases. Label elements for oxidizing gases. Category 1 symbol flame over circle. Signal word danger. Hazard statement may causes or intensify fire. Oxidizer. Gases under pressure. Gases under pressure are gases which are contained in a receptacle at a pressure of 200 kilopascal or more at 20 degrees Celsius, or which are liquefied or liquefied and refrigerated. They comprise compressed gases, liquefied gases, dissolved gases and refrigerated liquefied gases. Gases under pressure. Criteria for gases under pressure. Group compressed gas, a gas which when packed under pressure is entirely gaseous at minus 50 degrees Celsius, including all gases with a critical temperature greater than minus 50 degrees Celsius. Liquefied gas, a gas which when packaged under pressure is partially liquid at temperatures above minus 50 degrees Celsius. A distinction is made between high pressure liquefied gas, a gas with critical temperature between minus 50 degrees Celsius and plus 65 degrees Celsius, and low pressure liquefied gas, a gas with a critical temperature above plus 65 degrees Celsius. Refrigerated liquefied gas, a gas which when packaged is made partially liquid because of its low temperature. Dissolved gas, a gas which when packaged under pressure is dissolved in a liquid phase solvent. Gases under pressure. Label elements for gases under pressure. Compressed gas, symbol gas cylinder, signal word warning, hazard statement contains gas under pressure, may explode if heated. Liquefied gas, symbol gas cylinder, signal word warning, hazard statement contains gas under pressure, may explode if heated. Refrigerated liquefied gas, symbol gas cylinder, signal word warning, contains refrigerated gas, may cause cryogenic burns or injury. Dissolved gas, symbol gas cylinder, signal word warning, hazard statement contains gas under pressure, may explode if heated. Physical hazards will continue in the next video. Do watch. Stay safe. Thank you.